Studying effectively is essential for academic achievement. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your learning and maximize your potential. Strategy 1. Create a study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for studying each day or week. Focus on the most important or challenging topics first. Be disciplined and avoid distractions during your study sessions. Strategy 2. Organize your notes and find what works for you. Whether you prefer digital notes or handwritten ones, find the method that suits you best. For instance, if handwritten notes help you remember concepts better, stick with that. For example, for quick revision, create flashcards with key concepts and definitions. Strategy 3. Build a positive relationship with your teacher and classmates. By being proactive in seeking help and collaborating with your teacher and classmates. They can offer valuable insights, tips, hints, keep you on track, possibly give you extra practice materials and valuable feedback. Strategy 4. Master definitions and terminology. Start memorizing key definitions and terminology early. For instance, if you're studying for business management, make sure you understand terms like corporate culture and management styles. Strategy 5. Ask questions and clarify doubts. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher or tutor about any confusing topics. If you missed a question in a past exam that you didn't understand, ask for clarification to avoid similar mistakes in the future. Strategy 6. Use real-life examples and relate to experience. Apply real-life examples to your answers. If you have a part-time job, use it to illustrate business concepts. If not, create hypothetical examples to demonstrate your understanding. By incorporating these strategies into your study routine, you can enhance your learning efficiency and achieve your academic goals. Remember, consistency and perseverance are key to success.